It's been a minute, hasn't it? Okay. Wow. Didn't know that was going to be that gross. I'm really sorry if that was disgusting. Sorry. For all you people who drink like coffee black and cold, you guys are not from this planet. Anyways, on to this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money in a super fun way, starting almost now. Make sure you hit the like button like right now, and also subscribe if you are interested in seeing weekly videos on sites, business opportunities, strategies on how you can make some extra money from home. Subscribe right now. Also, to see what I personally use to make up to $500 on a daily basis, click the first link in my video description below. Now on to this video. First site, or really app I should say, it's not really I guess you could, well no, it's an app. I'm introducing you to something called MissPlay. Now, this is going to be for Android users, which I'm an Apple person, I'm an iPhone user, but don't worry, I got y'all. What's coming up, I can't leave y'all hanging. This is called MissPlay, and not too long ago I made a video on a really cool game that you can make money with, and a lot of people reached out to me and said, hey, give me some more games I can make money with. MissPlay, okay, is a really cool app you download if you have an Android, the sucky people. Kind of like Slice the Pie. I don't know if you remember me making a video on that. Slice the Pie was a music review site. You can literally, make money writing reviews on music. A lot of the music you'll hear are from undercover artists, underground artists, I should say, and things like that. So that's kind of like what MissPlay is, but for games. There's a lot of games that, companies want to launch and they need to be tested, need to be reviewed, and these companies are willing to pay you a little bit of money per game you actually download onto your phone and actually pay and test out. It's crazy because there are very little negative reviews on MissPlay, which is insane because things like this, I don't know, you'll find sometimes a lot of negative reviews, but people love this. The first week of this person playing games, they really enjoyed it, and they were able to get enough tokens to cash out a $10 Amazon card. Like, all of these people are literally saying they're playing games on a weekly basis in their spare time and getting cash outs, okay? Literally their first week of playing. Is the money you're gonna make on MissPlay gonna be life-changing? Probably not. But hey, if you're looking for something to make you an extra $10, $20, some money, maybe you need for gas or something like that, maybe some food for the week or something like that, you could totally add this to your arsenal of income streams that you're hopefully adding up by now, because I'm making a lot of videos showing you a ton of different sites you can use to make money. So add this to the stack and get to playing and making money. It's a super fun way to make money. Now, like I said, I can't leave out my iPhone people. You guys are the best, okay? We're the best, all right? Everybody wants to get mad because we're the best, but haters gonna hate. Just kidding, again. Sort of. For you guys, long game. This is kind of similar to MissPlay, but now us Apple users can join in on the fun, and Android users can do this one too. So if you have an Android, you really lucked up here because you got MissPlay and you got long game. You can download on your phone and start playing games and literally start making money. What's really unique about long game is you not only can get cash withdrawals, but they also can pay you in crypto. So for all you crypto people going crazy, there you go, long game. Hope you guys go use those games and actually make a little bit of money. Like I said, you're not gonna make life-changing income, but however, if you wanna know a way you can make life-changing income online, again, click that first link in my video description below to check that out. It's not gonna be for everybody. I wish it could, but this is going to be more for more serious people wanting to actually make a full-time income from home like I am. I know some people are not looking for that. You're just looking to make a little bit of play money. And for you, these videos that I've been making are right up your alley. But if you're serious to make a little bit of extra money, like more serious money, click that first link and you'll see me on the other side. Again, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you later.